Yo, who said what about kicks and beats? Please hit subscribe, please hit like, and stay tuned. What's up, y'all? What's up? What's going on? It's your boy Broadway J, the host of this channel, Kicks and Beats, the channel that gives back to the hood so you know what's good. Giveaways on the first of every month, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet, and make sure to hit like. Now, I'm going to be reviewing something pretty cool today, because this is just a, it's just a Reebok shoe, but not your ordinary. I mean, it's an ordinary classic that came from them, but it's a collaboration shoe with another company that brought a whole lot of fun into the childhoods of many of us. So, who am I talking about today? Nerf, of course. Anyways, let's get into this. This dropped about 2 weeks ago. I believe it was June 24th, and it retailed for about 160 USD. And the name of the colorway, if I'm not mistaken, is Nerf Light Jammer Orange. And the reason why I'm saying this is because I believe they have another colorway that came out as well for the same silhouette. This silhouette right here is the Reebok Pump Omni. What is it? Man, I keep forgetting the name of this shoe. Oh yeah, the Reebok Pump Omni Zone 2. That's right, yeah. So anyways, let's get... Oh, the box is dope, guys. Yo, the box is pretty dope. Check it out. So this reminds me of my childhood, bro. You know how many times they use this snake, man? Oh, this is cool. This is so cool. Oh, I'm holding it upside down, I think. Yo, check it out, guys. Look at these details. Reebok Hasbro, Nerf Club 2 points. Remember the 2 points, right? I don't know if y'all gonna remember that, but Reebok, proof of purchase, Nerf no look. Okay, I'm already impressed, man. This is a cool box. I want to keep this box for sure. Nerf basketball brand. The backboard they got up in here. This is a classic. Almost everybody used to have this on their doors back in the days in their rooms. Nerf hoop with bigger, big, bad backboard. If I'm not mistaken, I think every time you would shoot the ball into this hoop, it would like glow in the dark for a bit, or like something would happen, like some sort of effect would get activated when shooting the ball in the hoop. But yeah, it's all here. Rad shoes, fat box, and bigger backboard. Just looking at the design, man, it's got Nerf all over it for sure. Anyways, but what's this? Wow! Instructions on how to wear the shoes, just like, because Nerf toys, they always come with instructions, so they wanted to give us that same feeling with this shoe. I mean, I know how to put my shoes on, man, but hey, for those who don't know, this is how you do it. The instructions are right here. Loosen up shoes, slide on the foot. Don't forget to lace up your shoes afterwards, and pump it up. And I just see him like pulling on the tongue, so I guess there's like a pump around that area. Can't wait to do that later, see what it does. What's the effect on the shoe with that? 10.5, I went true to size, guys. I'll let you know if that was a good idea or not towards the end. And this came from Extra Butter, so shout out to Extra Butter for sending these over. I appreciate it. Such an easy win. I guess nobody really went for them, so better for me. But yeah, the Pump Omni Zone 2. Yep, got it right. Alright, let's get into this bad boy real quick. Let's open it up, let's open it up. Well, damn. Alright. Okay. Quality control is not amazing at all with this pair they sent me, but that's okay. Man. You know what it is, guys? I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. I'm not a fan at all of this silhouette. I'm really not. But this is kind of intriguing right now, I'm not gonna lie. Get that one out. Oh man, this is pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I don't know why, but this green slime effect around here kind of reminds me of Nickelodeon. It really does. I mean, just the colors here. This orange and this green, it reminds me of Nickelodeon more than Nerf, to be honest. But, I mean, these were colors that were highly used by Nerf in the past, too. So, yeah. Okay, I feel the pump in there. There's definitely, like, pressure you can apply there. Feels like a rubber basketball, basically. Check it out. Feels like rubber. Yeah, you got rubber all over here, guys. Rubber everywhere. Yo, check out the details on the tongue here within this mesh area. You see that? Like those little perforated holes or whatever. Not fully perforated, but you know what I'm saying. You get what I'm saying? Comes with orange laces, which is the majority of this shoe, orange. Oh, you got some nice blues in the bottom. Check that out. Got some neon green going on here, or neon like yellow, with some blues over here for sure. I don't know if you guys can see in there, but it has kind of like a beehive pattern going on in there. This right here is plastic, straight up. You can see the shininess as I, you know, rotate the shoe around. This is all just like hard plastic right here. Now, I was complaining about quality control earlier because of these little portions here. I don't know if you can see. But quality control will not be perfect with these. I can tell you that right now. Got mesh for the tongue here. This is rubber up here. This section over here. This section is not really much like rubber. Feels like something else. Kind of feels like suede, honestly. It's weird. Feels like a weird suede here, while this is rubber and this is mesh. 3 different materials within the tongue section. Now if I can pull this out, the paper, let me show you guys how the insole looks real quick. And the insole looks pretty cool. It says pump it up. Pump, 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 pump it up. Now I feel sorry for Joe Buttons. Not trying to throw shots at him, but damn dude, your career did not go as far as you had planned it to go. But yeah, pump it up right here. Does anybody remember that single from Joe? From Joe Buttons, Pump It Up? Pretty dope track when it came out. But yeah, check out this graffiti-like design over here. That's what you get. Does the right pair come with the same words? No, the right pair has a different insole, guys. Alright, let's see what this is about here. There you go. It says Nerf on top with the snake. And the word pump is inside of his eye. Feels like a pretty nice insole, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, size in the back. Where was this made? Made in Vietnam. Man, so many shoes are being produced in Vietnam. I'm realizing real late into the game. But yeah. What is this right here? Is this like blue or is this purple? It's real confusing to me. I think it's more on the purple side, honestly. This purple right here, guys, or blue, it kind of reminds me a little bit like that bluish purple coloring that you can find on the Yeezy 500 High Tyrian. I'm not gonna lie, it's real similar to that. As a matter of fact, since I got that pair anyways, let's compare. Let's compare real quick. Yeah, so this one seems more on the purple side than the Tyrian, honestly. Let me know what you guys think. Cop or drop. Let me know in the comment section below. Now it is time to show you guys that up close on feet look. Let's get to it. Well, that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Just wanted to swing by so you guys know the shoe, another option out there in the world for us. If you feel like copping these in the aftermarket, I don't think they're going to be going for that much. So, you know, try your luck if you really want it. I say it's a decent pair, decent high top for those who like colors that pop out like that, who can pull off this look. You know, greens and oranges. I like how they did the stitching here with this Nerf logo. But anyways, stay tuned. We got another early review coming up, I think in the next like week or two. Yeah, we've got another one pulling up. Can't say what it is, but you guys will see soon. It's your boy Broadway J, host of Cakes and Beats, and I'm out. Peace, yo.
Tu cuero está ancho, como quiera el toto le hincho. Soy un tipo culto, como ni sin bulto. Si tú eres alto, yo eres alto, en el asalto yo eres culto. No hay guares, que más ni se compare. Con las rimas malabares, le dan malestares cuando viajo a diferentes lugares.
New designs locked in my closet. I'm opposite of dirty. Final rocket sneaker releases a season early, y'all remember. I had the high like low since September, comprehender. Fella like myself a trendsetter, Mars yellow with the coochie sweat.